Bethlehem University was the first step for me as a simple girl outside the society. I was a simple girl, but with big dreams and big goals. They helped me to be myself. They helped me to be who I am now. I learned how to teach and learn from each other. I learned how to accept others. And this helped me a lot to be as a manager for Yamima Foundation. Because in Yamima, we are all different. We are not the same. So to learn how to accept others in Bethlehem University helped me to see the difference in my work. I see how Bethlehem University helped these boys and girls and how support them to be part of the society. So this has given me opportunity to see how I can help them in the future.